Hey guys, I hope you all are safe and healthy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Divyata, where I will be doing makeup related video. Let's get started with the video. Today I will be doing soft silver eye makeup look, where I will be adding shimmer eyeshadow in the corner of my eye as it instantly elevates the look and adds more drama to the eye look. Here I am using Benefit Eyebrow Pencil in shade number 5. Try to fill in as natural as you can. It should not look too artificial. Here I am concealing around my eyebrows. After that, I am taking loose powder to set my concealer. Here I took pencil eyeliner and I am lining up my upper eyelash and smudging it. You don't need to be perfect in lining it up. After that I took soft brown shadow from Wet n Wild palette. Now I took a dark shade of brown and I am blending it very softly as there should be no harsh line visible. After that, I'm completing my look with applying shimmery eyeshadow in corner of my eyes, and I will be using the same eyeshadow on my brow bone to complete my eye look. For the lower eyelash, I'll be using the same darker brown eyeshadow. Here I'm using glitter in the corner of my eye to add some more drama. Now I'm applying L'Oreal mascara. Now I am applying Fenty Beauty Concealer under my eye. I have already prepped my skin with toner and moisturizer. Now I am blending my concealer. You should dab your concealer with sponge. Don't drag your sponge as it will not give you proper coverage. Here I am using the foundation. I am using my sponge to blend my foundation because I personally feel sponge allows you to build more coverage and gives you a natural finish. Now I am using powder to set my foundation. From the same palette, I am doing my face contouring. Now I am using Benefit Blush Palette for my blusher. Now I am applying highlighter on my cheekbones. And now finally I am completing my look by applying lipstick from Huda Beauty Bombshell. I will be leaving all the product details in my description box. Thank you so much for watching my video. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.